NxStage has prepared this instructional video as a supplement to existing labeling and training materials. This tool is not intended to replace the NxStage System 1 User's Guide or cartridge instructions for use. Refer to the appropriate user's guides and instructions for use for all warnings and precautions.
This module gives instruction on basic troubleshooting on the NxStage System 1. We will review the difference between yellow cautions and red alarms. Cautions and alarms are identified in the condition bar on one view and have their own distinct sound that was selected by your facility. A solid green bar indicates the safe operating condition. A yellow outlined box where no sound is heard is a non-interventional caution. This is information being conveyed to the user where no intervention is necessary. A solid yellow box is an interventional caution and the sound is heard. This indicates that the blood pump has not stopped, but an intervention is required to continue the therapy. A solid red box is an alarm and a different sound is heard. This indicates that all pumps are stopped and an immediate intervention by the user is required. Yellow cautions are indicated by a specific audible sound and a solid yellow condition bar on one view. Use the acronym MIT to resolve a yellow caution: mute, information, treatment. Let's review a yellow caution number 14. Press mute. Click More Information icon. In this example, the caution indicates that air is in the therapy fluid or there is an occlusion in the therapy fluid line. Check possible sources of air or occlusion and correct. If necessary, remove the air from the air vent on the optional fluid warmer. Press treatment. Check to see if your pumps have turned on. Red alarms are indicated by a specific audible alarm sound and a red condition bar on one view. Use the acronym MIST to resolve a red alarm: mute, information, stop, treatment. First, mute the alarm by pushing the mute button. This is the M in MIST. Click on the More Info button to get more information to resolve the alarm. This is the I in MIST. The pop-up screen contains the possible causes and corrective measures. Once the problem is corrected, push the stop key. This is the S in MIST. Next, press the treatment key. This is the T in MIST to continue the therapy. Check to see if your pumps have turned on. Let's review an actual red alarm number 24, access pressure at low limit. When the alarm sounds, note the condition bar for the type of alarm it is. Press mute. Mute silences the audible alarm. Click on More Info on the OneView status bar. This alarm is identifying a flow problem from the patient's vascular access. Follow your hospital's protocol as it relates to troubleshooting a vascular access. Once the problem has been resolved, push the stop key. You may wonder why you need to press the stop key since all of the pumps are stopped anyway. Pressing the stop key after an alarm lets the machine know you have corrected the problem. It also resets the alarm. Next, press the treatment button to continue the therapy. Make sure your pumps are turned on. Troubleshooting air alarms. If air is sensed at the venous air detector, a red alarm number 10, check for venous air, will occur. Press mute to silence the audible sound. Click on More Info to open the alarm-specific help screen. Follow the instructions. Press stop. Remove air from the post filter port by using a 20 cc syringe. Remove the air and return only the blood. Press treatment and the yellow caution window will display 12, air recovery underway. Press mute. Close the alarm window and open the yellow caution. Check for air in the venous line between the machine and the patient. If air is seen, press stop and the red alarm number 10 will sound again. Repeat missed. If no air is seen, press treatment to continue the therapy. Flush the post-filter cap with 3 milliliters of saline to clear the blood. Then clamp the port securely. Continue to observe the post-filter cap for air. Congratulations! You have completed the basic troubleshooting module.